Maharashtra government has decided upon an unlock strategy, divided the unlock into 5 levels. Certain restrictions and relaxations will now be given based on these levels. Mumbai is in level 2. What really does this mean and what is this new strategy? Purva Chitnis joins us with the very latest. Purva, what more can you tell us about Maharashtra's unlock strategy?
Well, in fact, Maharashtra, as you said, government has decided to divide the districts in 5 different levels. Now, every level is divided based on the positivity rate and the total oxygen bed occupancy in each district. So, positivity rate less than 5% and a total oxygen bed occupancy less than 25%. That particular district will come in level 1. So, this way there are at least 18 districts in the state which are falling under level 1. As far as Mumbai is concerned, well, Mumbai is in level 2. Now, although the positivity rate of Mumbai is less than 5%, but the oxygen bed criteria, Mumbai does not match that, and hence Mumbai comes in level 2. In level 1, the districts which fall in level 1, the government has said that there will be an unlock which happens in all these districts, which means there won't be any restrictions as far as social gathering is concerned, marriages is concerned, even restaurants will be allowed to open, salons, then gyms will be allowed to open. So these kind of different open, the hotels and shops will be open as well in those districts. So the government will be sending out more details on that. However, the Relief and Rehabilitation Minister Vijay Wadekar, he was speaking to the reporters where he just told that these are the different levels that we have decided to go with, and this is based on the positivity rate and the total oxygen bed occupancy of each district is concerned. Now, also every week this will be reviewed. So all the districts will be reviewed every week, every Friday they will be reviewed, and based on that they will be shuffled between the levels. So even if your district falls in level 1 now, if at all the cases go up, if at all the positivity rate goes up, that district can then fall in level 2 or level 3 as well. So depending on that, every week there will be a review which will be taken in these in these districts. And as far as the Mumbai local trains are concerned, well, the minister categorically said that right now they are not opening Mumbai local trains. The Mumbai local trains will remain shut for common public. But if at all Mumbai falls in level 1, you might even see Mumbai local trains open. This decision has come in at the backdrop that the cases in the state are going down consistently. The positivity rate has also dropped on in the state, and also
Right.
there is the oxygen availability is there, and cases are consistently going down. So that is why the government has now decided to give more emphasis also on opening up things and economy, and that is why this unlock strategy.
All right. Well, that of course, is an important categorization there. Purva, do we have any clarity at the moment on what's going to be allowed or not allowed in level 1, level 2? We know Mumbai is level 2, for instance, but Thane has been given the level 1 status. So what are the concessions that will be granted? What are the kind of restrictions that will be lifted in Mumbai, for instance?
See, Mumbai is in level 2, so level 2 will not see a complete unlock at all. So there will be some relaxation in terms of maybe restaurants, hotels, and shops are already now allowed to open in Mumbai. Maybe the timings could change. So those details, the government will be sending a notification for that, and the details will be mentioned in that. As far as level 1 is concerned, where districts, there are 18 districts in level 1. There will be a complete unlock in level 1, which means that there won't be any restrictions as far as hotels, salons, spas, shops are concerned. Restaurants will be allowed to open, then marriages can take place with no restriction. There won't be any restriction as far as social political gathering as well. So level 1 is something which is going to see a complete unlock.